Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a baked omelette and vegetables. So this is all the ingredients. I have egg whites and regular eggs. I have some basils, green bell peppers and spinach, and also cherry tomatoes. I have cheese and cream, and of course I have onion powders, garlic powder, and black peppers. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to cut this green peppers just a small piece, like cubes. You only need a 1/4 cup of this, so I don't need all to cut that. Alright, this one is done. And this basil, we only need leaves. And we need to cut this one, and we need to dice it. Now the spinach, we also have to dice it. There we go. I'm gonna need like 2 cups of that. Then the tomato, we need to cut it. Just cubes. Alright, we're done cutting all the vegetables. We only need 1 cup of this egg whites. There you go, that's 1 cup. You need to crack the egg. Mix this one together, and the milk, just dust of hey, that was hard a lot. That's okay, onions is good. Just dust of this 1/8 teaspoon. And a little salt, not much. There you go. And I put 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and that is completely optional. If you don't want to put it, just fine. Now we whisk them all together until all well combined. That should be enough. And now let's put all together all the vegetables. Just the cheese. And the spinach. And we'll mix it properly. Mix it well. While you're doing this, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Oops. Alright, we're going to put that on the baking pan. So I use 8 by 8 square pan. So I'm going to put that in there. We're going to bake it to 30 to 35 minutes or until completely cooked. When I bake this, I double this one and put water right there. This cover it out with aluminum foil. That way it become moist inside and not get burned up. I think my one is so big. Alright, and we put water in there anywhere you can. Just get moist on the bottom. It will not get burned up on the bottom. Alright, let's bake it now. Alright everyone, here is the baked omelette that I made today. And I have a piece of bread and slices of oranges. And I have a gallon of coffee. That's a lot of coffee, huh? That's why I said a gallon of coffee. But take note that mug is been like more than 10 years with me, and look at that. It still look good, right? It looks brand new still. Anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Well, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video. Okie dokie, you should try this baked omelette. It's really good. Okay, see ya.